y'all. So in today's video I will be continuing on with my back to school series that I started with the most recent video, and today we're just going to be doing a what to bring to college video because if y'all don't know, I am a junior. I got to Mouse College. I'm a biology major, so me being in a dorm for 3 years and now being an RA, I kind of know like what to bring and what not to bring, and I just want to make y'all move-in process easier than mine. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start with bathroom and dorm. Okay, so obviously you need bed sheets, comforters, mattress pads, pillowcases, and pillows. So for the bed sheets, some are twin size and some are twin size XL. I recommend, if you can't get in touch with nobody in housing or figure out what your size is, just get the twin XL because that's like the most popular one. Also, you definitely need an alarm clock unless you want your alarm on your phone. I cannot wake up with my alarm on my phone, so I recommend getting an alarm clock. You're gonna need a sleep mask because I had a roommate and we can never like agree on if the light should be on or off. So if you prefer the lights off all the time, you need to get a sleep mask, an eye mask, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, get an eye mask. Also, I recommend getting shower shoes because 9 times out of 10 you're going to be sharing a bathroom with somebody and the bathrooms are nasty. Foot funguses are real, so definitely get shower shoes to save you from any of that type of stuff. You will also need bath towels, washcloths, a shower caddy as well. Don't get a mesh or cloth shower caddy, get a hard shower caddy because the mesh one will get dirty so quick, and plus if you're putting soap in it and you don't have a soap container, the soap is like gonna cause like mold on it. So just get a hard one. It's easier to clean and easier to carry. Also you need toilet paper. That's the one thing that I kept forgetting when I was in college, like girl, because I had 3 roommates, so it would be like I wouldn't have to bring toilet paper, but now I'm an RA, so I have to like remind myself to get toilet paper. You also need paper towels and like tissue because girl, my allergies be acting up, so definitely need like face tissues and stuff like that. And also you need like Rubbermaids. I don't know all colleges provide justice, but mine does, so I just keep like the Rubbermaids under my bed so I can put like out of season clothes and they're like puffer coats, boots, stuff like that. Yeah. You also need a laundry basket. Do not get a laundry basket that does not have wheels on there because you're gonna be carrying that heavy stuff to the washing machine, and 9 times out of 10 your washing machine is not even gonna be on the floor that you're on. So definitely get one with wheels on there. It just makes transporting it so much easier. Getting into like hygiene, personal care, you need bath soap, hand soap, all that good stuff. You need shampoo and conditioner. You need a hairbrush. You need a comb. Any hair stuff that you got in your house right now, make a list of it and just go buy it all over again. Because 9 times out of 10 you're gonna forget to pack that because you're gonna forget that you're going to college. You're gonna forget to pack it. And you're gonna get to college and you're either gonna be finna take your hair down or you're gonna be about to do your hair and you're like, girl, I left it at home. So go ahead and just buy double of everything that you got in your house right now. I also recommend bringing like any flat irons, hot combs, blow dryers, anything like that. Go ahead and just pack it up because you're gonna need it. You need toothbrush and toothpaste. Don't forget that. Mouthwash and dental floss or water floss, whatever you got. Shaving kit for the boys. You also need a first aid kit. My mom got me my first aid kit and I thought it was like the dumbest thing in the world. But when I tell y'all I used that, I used the whole box the first year I was in college. You need a freaking first aid kit. You also need a tool kit, just a small one, nothing major, real small. Come with a flashlight. You need a flashlight because lights go out all the time. Pepper spray. Please get some pepper spray or taser. Protect y'all stuff at all times because rape is real on these college campuses, and these campus police, they really don't be doing their job for real. So protect yourself. If you're concealed to carry, bring your gun because you're gonna need it. Makeup, any type of face lotion, any type of skincare, period, bring it. Q-tips for sure. Cotton swabs, cotton pads for your face, loofahs, nail clippers, mirrors, full body mirrors. The ones that go on the back of the door are fine. You need air freshener for sure. and a bath mat for sure. Heating pads if you need that, and any prescription medicines, bring it. Yeah. Okay, now we're getting into like clothing and laundry supplies. So obviously you need socks. You definitely need socks. Underwear. You need a bathrobe. I used to think bathrobes were so unuseful until my freaking towel dropped when I was coming out of the bathroom. So you need a bathrobe. It just makes moving so much easier. Definitely need business casual outfits because you need to look presentable on campus at any time that it is required. I recommend getting like really cute rompers or pantsuits off Shein. You don't have to think about the outfit. It's just the one thing. Just throw it on, accessorize with a nice pearl necklace, and you're good to go. Definitely recommend getting an iron and a steamer. I never had a steamer before, but I do pageants on campus, and the dresses, you're not supposed to iron them. So I would literally steam them when I was like taking a shower. But just buy a steamer. Don't do it the ghetto way. You also need an ironing board, laundry detergent, bleach, fabric softener, dryer sheets. Stain remover 6 comes so in handy because y'all, when I say y'all, you'll literally get a stain and not even realize it until somebody pointed out. You're like, what? So definitely get stain remover so you can just go ahead and remove it before it sets in. Lint brush as well. I haven't used a lint brush till I got to college, y'all. Definitely get a lint brush. You're gonna need it. And if y'all washing machines or y'all dorms charge y'all to wash, you need like a roll of quarters. My dorm didn't charge us to wash. I don't know about any other dorms on campus, but they don't charge us to wash clothes. So yeah. For school supplies, you obviously need a backpack. I've been using the same backpack since I was a sophomore in high school. I really don't recommend buying a new backpack every year. It's really not that deep for me. So get a backpack or a tote, whatever works for you. You need a laptop. You don't have to get nothing fancy. Just something that can turn your assignments in, write your papers, and you're good to go. You don't have to get nothing fancy. You can get a tablet if you want, but I'm more of a laptop kind of girl. I need like big screen so I can see. Also, don't forget phone chargers, laptop chargers, iPad chargers. You need a printer as well with printer ink because some schools charge you to print. Sometimes you might wake up late and the library or wherever you're printing your stuff out is closed. So I definitely recommend getting a printer. My mom got me one my freshman year, and my school offers free printing in our dorm, so I really haven't had to use it, but I always keep it with me just in case because you just never know. I also recommend getting a planner. I know a lot of people like have whiteboards, like the calendar and stuff on there. I don't really recommend that because I just function better with like being able to carry it around with me every day, and I don't like it on my phone because I be getting distracted on my phone. So just get a planner. It's really cute. You can find one that matches your aesthetic very well. It comes in handy, and it's like really small, so you can like literally put it in a bag with your laptop, iPad, whatever, and it's gonna fit. Definitely need pens. Some professors don't like when their students write in pencils. I just like to write in pen in general. Red and blue. No, don't get red pens. I'm sorry. Don't get red pens. Blue or black. That's it. You need paper. Some schools have like some professors have like a preference between wide rule and college rule. I don't really know what to tell you about that. You just have to check your syllabus and see. But yeah, you definitely need paper. I don't know if I said this or not, but you need a binder. I have a 5-subject notebook, so I just combine all my classes in one because I normally only take 4 classes, and then the 5th one is a lab, so I just combine it with whatever class that's with. And yeah, I don't buy a binder for every subject because it's just doing so much. You need whiteout for your writing things, especially if you're writing with a pen. Get whiteout. Highlighters, of course, to study. Staplers, yes, get a stapler. I have a stapler, but I don't know where it is right now, but I have one. Definitely comes in handy. You need a calculator. I like Texas Instruments, but some professors have their own required calculator, so I don't really know what to tell you. But yeah, just check your syllabus for most of this stuff. What else? You need headphones, y'all, because when I say my roommates are always loud. I've never had a quiet roommate, so I always have to have headphones on to study, or even just being on the phone. Like, I don't like people in my business, so I just have headphones on me at all times. I recommend the AirPod Pros because they have noise cancellation, but if you can afford that, regular AirPods are fine, or even just regular earphones. Like, as long as it's something to block out noise, you should be good to go. You definitely need scissors, and you definitely need a hole puncher. Random things to bring that you're probably gonna forget. You need a driver's license, of course. Any prescription medicine that you have, bring that. Also along with a doctor's note to legally say that you need the prescriptions in case the nurse cannot give it to you. You need car registration and insurance. Definitely need your student ID, debit and credit cards, health insurance card, social security card. I didn't have my social security card my freshman year, and I don't think I really needed it, but just bring it just in case. Also recommend bringing any additional forms like financial aid or scholarship information. Bring that. Umbrella, y'all. I forgot an umbrella and it literally rained on the first day of school. Like, how ironic is that? And I forgot even about bringing it. So definitely get an umbrella. You need to make sure that you have a list of your emergency contacts in your dorm just in case something happens and nobody can access your phone. Alright, y'all, so that was the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will have more back to school content for you guys next week. Enjoy the rest of y'all's weekend. Bye.